Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. I've got another Louis Vuitton show you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie. We've got the monogram coated canvas and we've got a lovely kind of gold removable Louis Vuitton chain attached to there as well. And then we've got an envelope flap closure with a pressed stud fasten. And inside we've got a nice burgundy coloured lining. We've got one flat pocket at the back. And then we actually have this really handy little insert, so that just slides in and out of the bag. And in here, we've got 8 card slots, and then you've got one nice big notes pocket in there as well. So the condition of it, we've called it good all around. There is a few signs of wear, so I'll show you those. We've got a little bit of a mark on that exterior, and then you can just see where some of this threading is fraying a little bit. You can see just here on the end there. And then on the hardware, if you look closely, you'll be able to see some hairline scratches, but most of that gold tone is still really nice. You can't see a lot of silver coming through, especially on that chain. And then I'll show you that pressed stud as well. You can see some silver coming through in the center, but again, a lot of that gold tone is still really nice. But then you've just got a little bit of fraying at the top there. And you can see that there's a little bit of a mark on that flap as well from where it would have been sat over there. You can see you've got a little bit of a line just there. So you can tell that it has been well loved, but it just means that you won't be afraid to use it. It's a really nice little bag that you want to use all the time. So it is in a good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Louis Vuitton dust bag, as well as Louis Vuitton paper bag. Oh, I'm dropping it off my shoulder. So we've got the paper bag too. And if you would like to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. There's a link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you are a Louis Vuitton lover, let us know. We will get you on the request list, and then as soon as we've gotten another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So get on that request list if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and you can pop it on your shoulder. It's a really nice, thin, delicate chain. You can pop it crossbody. It's just a good size kind of for a night out. I can fit my phone in here, and then with that handy little insert as well, you can pop cards and bits in there as well. So good for essentials. And then you can even pop this chain off like that, so it comes off nice and easily. And then you've got a little clutch as well, which you could just hold like this, or you could even pop it inside your bigger bag too. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there as well. When you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you are a bag lover, we've got so many gorgeous bags to show you, so hit that alert button and you won't miss out on any of them, and we'll be back very soon with some more.